Hello! In this video we will learn Python. Now to learn Python, we need to install a text editor. So for that we will use Sublime Text. Let's install it. Easily we installed out text editor. Now we need to install Git Bash terminal. Make sure to follow steps carefully. Let us skip installation part. Now have to select Launch Git Bash, and when it opens just pin that Git Bash terminal on taskbar. All set up. Now in next video we will start coding. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe channel.